Going back to our quiz, supposed to make the few changes. A should be 400 and B should be 700. Okay, so going to sketch, edit the throwback. So we already basically changed B to that, and A must also be changed. So tools, expressions, defining an A should be 400, B should be 700. Okay, apply. In this case we want to change this formula to be A divided by 2, and then here also be A divided by 2. Apply. Again, sketch is still fully constrained, all the other dimensions remain the same. Finish the sketch, measure bodies, and we have the mass of the tank in kilogram. Okay, and back, we need to make the following changes. In this case, we're just gonna trying to go through the changes. Notes 90 degrees, handle there, base plate, then the dimensions should still be A400 and B700. In this case, we're gonna just do the bottom part first. We're gonna sketch the bottom. Okay. Use an offset curve. Offset that should be 12. Direction should be changed. Apply. Then from there to offset another 3. Change the direction. Apply. Having a look at the height, should be 30. So instead we want that to be 30. Apply. Okay, stake there, should not be subtract. Night. Apply. So bottom part finished. So now we need to do the top section. There we have our dimensions. So we're going to use another offset and then just put in 2 lines there so that we can get that nicely there. Okay, so again, sketch top view, top. There we go. Again, using the offset curve. Again, making it 12. See, apply. Curve 3. Change direction. Apply. Okay. Next thing, we actually want to put in curve from there to there, and then from the midpoint again to there. Can make use of these auto dimensions, changing them to 55. Now what's just left is trimming away the extra lines. Should be that one there, this section, that section. Okay, so let's see, it should be 100 height. It should be 100. More, so that we can just have preview. Apply. Okay, now that's a front view. To draw in the side for the handle. So again, sketch. Gonna sketch on that plane. Down, just roughly, just like in the previous question. So I'm just gonna there you go. Oh, great stuff. So it's 50, 50. Okay, so this line should be horizontal. And then of course we can put in a few dimensions from there to there. 50, 50, there to there, 50, that point, that point, that point should be on point. Then of course tangency, 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 tangency. Then we have this dimension here, that should be 18. And then of course we have the 86 there, so subtract the result. It's good enough. You just hide some of the sketches. And you can just put this into trimetric view, isometric view. So now to do the following cuts, we'll just use circular pattern. In this case, comb pattern feature should be circular. Feature to pattern will be the extrude, specifying the vector, specifying the point. Let's go 0, 0, 0. Okay, does not matter. Otherwise, just select the axis there. Here we see that the pitch here would be 90, 90, and it should be 3 of them. Okay, so it's 90 pitch, which is 90 degrees, and the count is 3. But here we'll see that at that instance it will not penetrate, so we need to reverse the direction. Reversing the direction would allow us to do that show result. Right, that's what we want. Okay. And then the last thing would be to put in those radiuses. Okay, so edge blend, that edge, and of course this edge, and it should be 30. Can have a preview. Preview, nice and easy. Apply. That's what we're going for. That. We can do measure bodies to see what our mass is. Okay, your mass in kilograms would be that. Okay.